Good morning, students. So, in the previous classes, we have already studied about the decimals and operations of decimals. So, in the previous class, we have started the operations such as addition and subtractions. Today, what we are going to do is multiplication of decimals. So, we will do it in two ways. The first one is by a whole number, and the second one is by a decimal. In the first case, what we will do is we will multiply the decimal by a whole number. What are whole numbers? In the previous classes, I have told you that whole numbers start from 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These all numbers are known as the whole numbers. So in the first case, we will multiply a number by a whole number. So I have taken a number, you can see here, that is 4.32, which is a decimal number. And I am multiplying with a whole number. 4 is the whole number, you can see here. So what I will do is I will multiply the numbers without any decimal. That means I will take only 432. I will remove the decimal. I am taking 432 and I am multiplying with the whole number, that is 4, which will give the answer, that is 1728. You can see here. So I have multiplied the two numbers without decimal and got the result without any decimal. Now what I will do is I will put the decimal right now. See here, the decimal is after two numbers from the right hand side. You can see here after 2 and 3. So the decimal is after two digits from the right side. So we have to put the decimal after two digits of the answer. That means, see here, I have put here the decimal after two digits. So the answer is 17.28. And in the bracket I have written is two places of decimal. That means the decimal is put after two digits from the right hand side. So what I have done is I have done the actual multiplication without any decimal. See here, the number was 4.32 and 4. So what I have done, I have removed the decimal and I have multiplied the numbers. What I got is 1728. Now after getting this result, I will put the decimal. How I will put the decimal? By counting the decimal after the digits. You can see here that the decimal is after two digits from the right hand side. So I will put the decimal after two digits from the right hand side. So the answer is 17.28. Next we are going to multiply the decimal by a decimal. That means the two number must contain decimals. See here, I have taken two numbers. The first one is 25.4 and the second one is 2.4. So I have removed the decimals. After removing the decimal, we can get 254 and 24. Now we will multiply the number what we have already done in the primary sections. That is, after multiplication, we will get the answer 6096. Now what we will do is, see here, the decimal is after one digit for this number. You can see here 25.4, that means the decimal is after one digit from the right hand side. In the same way, if we look for 2.4, see here, for 2.4 the decimal is after one digit from the right hand side. So what I have done is sum of decimal places in the given decimals. Means we have to add the decimal places. So in the first case, the decimal place was 1, and in the second case, the decimal place was also 1. So I will add this 1 and will get the answer 2. Now, so the product must contain two places of decimal. That means what I got as the product, it must contain a decimal after two digits. See here. So what I will do is, I will write the decimal numbers and write the answer also involving the decimal after two digits from the right side. See here, two places of decimal. I am repeating again the second case. What I have done is I have taken the numbers without decimal. You can see here that is 254 and 24. Then I have multiplied as the actual multiplication we have already done in the primary sections. So what I got, the answer is 6096. Now we have to look for the decimal places. For the first number, that is 25.4, here the decimal place is 1. That means the decimal is after one digit from the right hand side. In the second case, that is 2.4, you can see here the decimal is after one digit from the right hand side. Now what we have to do is we have to find the sum of the decimal places in the given decimals. That means we have to add these two numbers, 1 plus 1, that will give the answer 2. Now, so the product must contain two places of decimal. That means this product, after multiplying these two decimals, will contain the two places of decimals. So what I have done is I have put a decimal after two digits from the right side. You can see here, and in bracket it is written is two places of decimal. Is it clear? So if you have any doubt regarding this video, or if there's any problem solving this type of questions, you can text me in WhatsApp or you can comment here. After watching this video, comment in the WhatsApp group. I will send you the worksheet for today. Solve the questions and send me the worksheets.